Hello, I'm Tara Benwell, and I have another self-publishing idea for you today. So, it's called Scoop.it, and it's in beta, and I just tried it out yesterday, and I think it's really cool. So just go to Scoop.it, and you'll find it. You need to request an invitation at this point, but mine arrived within a day of requesting it. So I requested an invitation and then I created a topic. And I used my novel title as the topic, and then I brought in all sorts of content related to my novel, such as a blog post that just featured it, my Amazon.com link, which brings in right here the price of the book, and you can just click on it here and anyone can go right to the page. I included my Idlevine profile, some reviews, a podcast, a YouTube reading, my beautiful cover designer, a link to her website, a link to the book that inspired me to go ahead and self-publish, and a screen capture of a library that recently got my book in. Of course, a post about Neil Diamond's being inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame at a very timely manner. My book has some Neil Diamond inspiration in there. So, these kinds of ideas. It's really easy to create a Scoop.it. You simply create your topic. For example, if you don't want to do your book, you can do something like this, self-publishing ideas, or maybe your genre, if you write crime fiction or even a non-fiction topic. Then you write a description and use the keywords that you want to be brought into your Scoop.it. So I've chosen some here, and I uploaded an image here, and then just go, and we'll see what happens here. So it's going to ask you to start curating your content. So when you go there, I'll show you how to do it. It's really quite easy. It's going to give you some information about how to do it. We're ready? So as you can see, it's going to tell me exactly what I need to do. But if you find something here that you want to include, you simply scoop it and it will go to your page. So for example, here's something here. We might want to look at it. We'll keep looking. It'll show us stuff from Twitter. It will show us stuff from YouTube. I had my name in the keywords, and this is something that I wrote, so it's going to show up here. If it's something you don't want, you can discard it. If it's something you do want, you can scoop it and it will add it to it. So let's see if we can find something. If we don't want anything on this page, we simply empty this page and it will bring us somewhere else. You can also manage the sources, so if you want different things for it to bring in, so if you want to use YouTube or Twitter, you can decide where you want it to come from. So let's see if we can find something that would be interesting to bring in here. How about, let's see, we had a pretty broad topic. Let's try this one, Kindle author interview. So if we want to use that one, we're going to scoop it. And here you can change what you want it to say. So you can change the title, you can change the description, and then when you're ready to add it, you simply publish it, and it will add it to your Scoop.it. Now if you want to see your Scoop.it, you can just view it, and it's going to show you your latest scoop. So eventually, when you add more and more things, you will have a full page. You can also post exactly a URL and a title and the text, and this is how I created mine. I did go through and find some information the other way, but this I found was easier to just include the URL, and I knew which content I wanted to add. And you can add new things. So for example, I just added this one today because it was just a post that was added today, and if you click on it, it's going to take you right to the post. Okay, and there you can see why I might have added it. Okay, so it's really great. And another cool thing is when you go here, you can see that people